Imagine transforming your kitchen into a profitable soap studio, where each bar you create not only smells incredible but also brings in cash. If you've ever thought about starting a business from home with low cost and high rewards, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing everything you need to know to start a soap-making business that can turn your hobby into a money-making machine. Stay with me till the end, and I'll even share a few secret tips to stand out in the market. Welcome to Prince Sam Official, where we help you build wealth through creative business ideas and strategies. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how you can start your own soap-making business from home, step by step. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, this is an amazing opportunity to turn your passion into profit. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right ingredients, create unique soap recipes, and even market your products to start selling fast. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on building businesses that boost your wealth. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the soap making process. Process versus melt and pour method. Cold process involves making soap from scratch using lye and oil. Melt and pour is easier, using pre-made soap bases that you melt and customize. Pros and cons. Cold process, more control over ingredients, but longer curing time, 4 to 6 weeks. Melt and pour, fast production, great for beginners, but less customizable. 2. Essential equipment and ingredients. Tools you need: digital scale, thermometer, mixing bowls, spatula, soap molds, safety gear, gloves, goggles. Basic ingredients: sodium hydroxide, lye for cold processed soap, oils, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter. Choose oils based on soap texture and skin benefit. Cost saving tip: buy ingredients in bulk for better profit margins and source locally to save on shipping. 3. Crafting your unique soap recipes. Choosing oils: olive oil for moisturizing, coconut oil for lather, castor oil for conditioning. Fragrances and additives: essential oils, lavender, peppermint for scent. Additives like oatmeal, activated charcoal, or herbs for specialty soap. Finding a niche: organic soap, vegan soap, eco-friendly packaging, or soap with skin benefits, for example, acne-prone, sensitive skin. 4. Packaging and branding. Packaging ideas: craft paper, custom labels, or eco-friendly materials. Branding essentials: create a cohesive brand look, colors, fonts, logo. Use a catchy and memorable brand name, like Nature's Glow or Purely You. 5. Setting up your soap business. Legal setup: register your business, get a tax ID, check local regulations on selling homemade products. Pricing strategy: consider your costs, ingredients, packaging, time, and add a profit margin. Compare with market prices of similar soaps, for example, handmade versus store-bought. Cost management: keep track of expenses early on to avoid underpricing. 6. Selling your soap, online and offline strategies. Online sales platforms: Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website. Use Shopify or WooCommerce. Social media marketing: showcase your soaps on Instagram and Pinterest, focusing on aesthetics. Engage with your audience: offer giveaways or behind-the-scenes posts. Offline sales: sell at farmers markets, craft fairs, and approach local boutiques or beauty stores. Offer soap-making workshops or classes as an additional revenue stream and a way to showcase your expertise. 7. Scaling your business. Production scaling: invest in bigger molds and batch sizes. Expanding product lines: consider adding complementary products like bath bombs, lotions, or body scrubs. Collaborations: partner with local businesses or influencers to increase exposure. Focus on customer feedback to constantly improve your products and service. So there you have it, a complete guide to starting your soap-making business from home. Whether you're creating luxury bars for upscale boutiques or affordable options for craft markets, the potential for profit is real, if you commit to making quality products and branding yourself effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more videos that help you build wealth through creative and profitable businesses. Comment below if you're excited to start your soap making business or if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on building passive income streams and successful businesses. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to hear your success stories. And remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all.